have a dub and we should.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Be a dub today. Now, look, here's the objective. You guys have to make it the entire. Here we go, Piper. Hey! Oh no, Piper hit herself in the face. Oh no! Gosh, she knocked her tooth out. Oh my God. Here we go, Piper! Oh no! Piper hit herself in the face! Piper! Piper! Oh no! Piper! Bum, bum.
Nothing. Oh, wait.
You see something?
Wait, I might see.
Oh no!
I see it.
Busted! Piper! Oh no, I just gotta say.
I'm so lucky because I didn't know she was there at all. I just saw someone's knees. I was like.
Well, I gotta say, you guys are like twinning right now, so we found the twins first.
The same outfit.
Let's go. Oh, 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 oh.